Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got Only Fools and Horses Bobble heads, and this one is Dale Boy, and then you've got all the other ones there to collect as well on the box. And inside the box as well you've got the Trotter wallpaper from the flat. There you go, that's the wallpaper there. Just get him out of the box. And it's a nice little bobblehead there. It's really nice detailed figure there as well. He's got his cocktail glass there, and he's also got £10 notes there in his hand, and he's got his necklace there. It's a really nice detailed item as well. And I also have a gold version of him. And again, it's got the Trotter wallpaper there as well from the flat. Just try and get him out of the box. And he's also nicely detailed as well. He's the same one as the first one. But he's in gold. And I also have Rodney. And again, it's got the wallpaper there as well from the flat. Let's try and get him out of the box. And he's got his army jacket on there, and his jeans, and then he has the suitcase for ready to go to market. These are really nice detailed figures. And I've also got Uncle Albert. And he's got his blue cap on there as well, and he's got his rucksack there as well. And he's got his medal crest there as well. Again, it's a really nice detailed figurine. I'll just show you Uncle Albert and Rodney both together. I'd like to wish all my viewers a happy Christmas and a happy New Year. Please hit the like and subscribe and comment below to tell me what your favourite item is on the bobblehead, and hit the notification for more uploads. Thank you for watching.